Hello everyone, this is Brainless Medico and today we are going to learn important topic under JVP waveform is KUSSMAUL'S sign. So small topic, 3 marker, let's finish it quickly. So normal response during inspiration, decrease in height of JVP with fall in jugular venous pressure. So KUSSMAUL'S sign, what is KUSSMAUL'S sign? Paradoxical increase in height of jugular venous pulsation with a rise in JVP during inspiration. So basically it means increase in your jugular venous pulsation will be due to increase in your jugular venous pressure, which is slightly high for common sense. So underlying mechanism, it is impaired right ventricular filling despite increased venous return during inspiration. So there is a defect in your right ventricular filling even though the venous return is normal. So what are the conditions you are going to see with KUSSMAUL'S sign? In pericardial diseases, we have constrictive pericarditis. In myocardial disease, we have restrictive cardiomyopathy. In right heart pathology, we have right-sided heart failure. Even right ventricular infarction, it is related to JVP waveform, then obviously it has to involve only right side of the heart. That is what I am saying from the previous section. Don't make any blunder saying mitral in the JVP forms or waveforms, or even what you say in the abnormalities of JVP waveforms, and even in the KUSSMAUL'S sign. You have to be careful while answering these stuff because examiners are very careful when it comes to right and left part of the heart. So be careful while saying right and left part of the heart in your JVP section. It has to be only right. Remember, it's right. Pulmonary causes, we have acute severe asthma, then pulmonary embolism. So small topic, very important, 3 marker, and they expect you to know when you take a CVS case. And you can't skip this part if you are taking CVS section. So I think that's all for the video. Hope you people enjoyed JVP waveforms and the abnormalities tabular column and the KUSSMAUL'S sign. Don't forget to subscribe, share if you do. If you have any doubts in these topics, you can use my comment section, and even any other doubts related to the subject, you can ask in the comment section of any video. I'll be answering those. No need to worry. Yeah, thank you. Have a great day.